Hello my friends, I am Professor Belagali, retired from RLS Institute, worked as a HOD of the department. Later I took VRS from the college. My friends, I am giving this introduction because of what this lockdown. Everything was locked, even you might have logged who is here. That is why just I give my introduction, means what? Names and all. My friends, again after the lockdown, when the lock is opened, you have another new things. Your question paper is also from lockdown to open to the new lock. Now instead of getting what? Your usual question paper, examples, first 8 objective type, next 8 1 mark questions, next 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, like that, 80 marks paper it was. Maths, I am speaking about the maths. Yes, my friends, it was the pattern. Now that old pattern is shifted to the new pattern, but you know the reason. What is the reason? Once again, my friends, since 1 year or more than 1 year, you can say as a friend, as an enemy, anything, because of this COVID situations, lockdown, this, that, everything, our life is changing. Your question paper is also changing from that old pattern to new pattern. See, now that exam which conducted in 6 days or 7 days, 6 days, each paper one day, now that entire system is once again locked and open to a smaller 3 subjects made them 1 paper. Another 3 papers means for 3 subjects, language, they converted into another paper. My friends, now maths, science and social studies, these 3 grouped as 1, and other 3 languages, Kannada, English, Hindi or any, it is another group. You know all these patterns, my friends. Now, these 3, once again, the time duration is what? 3 hours. They have given for the maths 1 hour, for the science 1 hour, for the social 1 hour. 3 hours you have to answer, not like your old question paper. Now they have introduced objective type or multiple choice questions. According to me, it is helpful for you. Sir, why? How? Because again see, for the PUC second year, their career building deciding factor is once again CET. What is CET? All 60 questions are multiple choice questions. They give what? 1 hour time. 1 hour time, 60 questions would mean 60 minutes, 60 questions. Again, my friends, you take it as what? A sort of earlier training for what your deciding factor, that is for the engineering and all, even for the NEET, everything. They're all multiple choice questions, my friends. So, because of that, this change in your question paper, don't feel bad. You feel happy because it is a training, earlier training for your PUC second year CET, my friends. Whatever it comes, always we must take positive. If you take the things positive energy will generate. Then you will be thinking of positive things. When your mind is free, positive, you can have the approach, everything, the answers, everything will be with a positive mode. Therefore, my friends, this multiple type questions, if you use your brain, not head, brain, why? In this, just that 3 hours I am dividing into 3 subjects, mathematics, science, social science. The government is told in each subject they want to give 40 questions. Then these are the 40 examples in 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Next, 40 questions in 60 minutes. Third, 40 questions in 60 minutes. But for PUC second year, it is 60 questions with 60 minutes. The number of questions will be more there. But here the number of questions will be less for your 10th standard. Therefore, my friends, my request, be positive. Take it sportively. Again, government, or even you can say the God is given an opportunity to train yourself for what? Next, but CET, it is not new, but CET is there for so many years. That is a deciding. With the help of the CET marks, numbers, and ranking, they will decide your college, your branch, everything, my friends. Therefore, this multiple choice questions type question paper is a sort of your training for the next, my friends. Next. Then what is the difference now? Multiple choice questions, their lengthy essay type questions will come 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, even 5 mark. Especially heights and distance in trigonometry. They are all lengthy. Theorems, they are all lengthy. You have to write. They come under 3 mark, 4 mark questions, my friends. But here, only thing, you know the OMR sheet, you must see. Already, it is not new. What is new? Earlier in every question paper, even with your the earlier question paper, the begin with what? 8 multiple choice questions. 8. Instead of 8 multiple choice questions, this year your question paper has in mathematics 40, social 40, and science 40. All multiple choice questions. It is not the entire thing is new, but it is earlier. They have increased what? The number of questions, my friends. Therefore, always you must be positive, take it, accept it, prepare it. In this case, any intelligent student, this 3 hours question paper, he can able to finish what? Between 1 and 2 hours. Half of the time he can do it. Why? Once again, my friends, the government is experimenting this question paper. Normally, the first question paper will be what? Question paper which we love. Not we, means the students love. Like, what is the meaning of that loving? Means you love the questions. If you see the example, you love it. Means they are not lengthy. They are not applicable type. According to me, they may give direct questions, my friends. Direct questions. If you use your brain, in fraction of a minute you can solve each question. Just you have to enclose the circle full, not semicircle, not quarter circle, not 3/4 circle. You have to enclose it full. Therefore, you must practice while writing your test on OMR sheet. That is absolutely important, my friends. Saying this background, my friends, finally, question paper, according to me, will be simple. They may give direct examples in mathematics. Direct using, I do it. And at the end, I do what? Some 3-4 questions, little bit, you have to make use your brain. Just it is a training for your brain. But almost all the question papers, my friends, simple, directly from the definition or from this, that. I do those. And while doing my notes, my friends, please remember, already I have referred 2 model question papers sent by the board, SSLC board. Already they have sent it. 1 week, 2 week. One first model question paper will be nearly more than 10 days. Another question paper will be more than 4 or 5 days. I have seen both the question papers. I have counted the number of examples in each chapter. And even I noted the examples, their strength. Even I prepared my notes along with your textbook. Not only your textbook, along with your old question papers, I prepared my notes. My friends, I do simple methods. I do both your method, then my method. What is that my method? My method means what you wanted for present exam. Quick. What is important? Getting the answer quickly. Method of getting the answer is not important, but which is important? Getting a correct answer is important. Please note it. Getting the correct answer and the marking is important. But here, the solution doesn't play any important role. Solution is not important. The method of solution is not important. Important is getting the answer. My friends, in certain examples, I will tell the direct hint. Hint means what? 2020 cricket match, my friends. You know the difference between test match and 2020 match. You know the test match, 5 days. All right. What about the 2020? Will be in 1 hour time. 1 hour time. So the method of batting or bowling with a 2020 match is different. With a test match is different. The same person, the same batsman, he will bat for test match differently, for the 2020 match differently. In 2020 match, hitting is very important. Hitting means what? Getting quick score. Quick score. That I will here, especially in certain examples, my friends, I will explain with what? This 2020 match. Direct 6. Those methods, those tricks, just I will tell to you, and you also enjoy it. You will be enjoying those methods and will be happy in answering for such questions, my friends. Yes, once again you know, this 10th standard, my friends, just I started taking this video classes, making these videos because of the two subjects, two branches, my friends, trigonometry and coordinate geometry. They play a very, very important role, not only for 10th, not only for PUC, not only for entire throughout your student as a career. Even if you join engineering, everywhere this trigonometry, coordinate geometry, they are the basis, my friends. Without this, there is no mathematics. Telling all this background, preparing your mind. Trigonometry is important, coordinate geometry is important. I have already made videos. You know it. There are students who might have referred it. I have done in detail all these things. Trigonometry as well as coordinate geometry. Not only these two. Later it is started with what? Almost all the subjects. Even I have done statistics. This year probability is not there, I have not done. Number theory is not there, I have not done. Some constructive examples, constructive chapters, constructions. Those things, surface areas, volumes, those things, directly formulas are there. I have not done that. 90% of the portion in 10th standard SSLC I have covered. I made it as videos. They are available in YouTube, my friends. Even in YouTube, you can enjoy it, because if you just tap Belagali's classes, immediately the things will be open. There, again, everything, chapter wise you can get it. Starts with the trigonometry, then its applications, then everything. Even for the trigonometry, symbol is there, theta. If the geometry comes, triangle is there. If algebra comes, sigma is there. Even 2 line introduction is there, my friends. All these things, my daughter, even my son-in-law, they were there in London. They have taken 1 month time to edit it. They have edited, they have joined all these videos, and one by one they have arranged it. If you see my videos, you can just enjoy it, my friends. Everything done, everything arranged very, very systematically. Very, very systematically. Yes, my friends, refer that if you wanted in detail. My old videos are there. Now, only for your 2020 exam, this, my friends, 2020, 2021, for this question paper, once again, my friends, I do my possible things, chapters. How many chapters I can do? Just I will do only with multiple choice questions. Before going to the multiple choice questions, I will give the synopsis. Without that, you can't understand the subject. Beginning, just brief introduction. Just I will remind the theory part of it, synopsis, then directly I will start with examples. While doing the examples, I give two methods. One, your regular method, time taken by the regular method. The same method I give in brief, time saving methods. I don't want to tell it is a shortcut method. No, time saving method. So how you can save the time in answering the same question. Here how many minutes it takes. Here how many seconds it will say. That minute you can convert in terms of what, my friends? Seconds. Time from minutes to seconds means it is nothing but time saving approach, time saving questions, time saving methods, my friends. Okay. Now once again I will start with trigonometry only. I do, then coordinate geometry. After that, whichever you wanted, I do it, my friends, related with algebra and all. Yes, my friends. See. This is SSLC 10th Maths class, 2020-21 exam. I have written even the heading here for the 2020-21 exam. First with the trigonometry, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. I have referred both the model question papers. In model question paper 1, you have 5 questions, means 5 examples. Even in model question paper 2 also, you have 5 questions. In model question paper 1, 5, model question paper 2, 5 means what? It is fixed for your exam. In trigonometry, you can have 5 examples or 5 questions. 5 examples, 5 questions means what? 5 marks, my friends. 5 marks in trigonometry. But normally, they are not entertained with any question, any example on applications of trigonometry. That is, examples on heights and distances. But we can't rule out. They may give some sample examples, my friends. I do even in applications type also. That is, angle of elevation, angle of depression. You have some examples based on heights and distances. I do simple examples on that. Already, if you see my videos, I have done there also. I have done objective type of questions, multiple choice examples, even in heights and distances also. Almost all chapters, my friends, not only trigonometry or geometry, in each chapter, one video I have done with multiple choice questions. My friends, at least you refer only those multiple choice examples. Yes, my friends. 5 examples in model question paper 1, 5 examples or 5 questions in model question paper 2. But in model question paper 1, they have not given any example on applications of the trigonometry, even for the paper model question paper 2 also. But they may give. My friends, these 5 examples are classified into 4 types. Examples based on first, trigonometric ratios of an acute angle. Trigonometric ratios means, you know, my friends, sin theta, cos theta. Purely they give one example based on trigonometric ratios. Next, my friends, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. If the sum of any two angles is 90 degrees, then those two angles are said to be complementary. You know the relation between all the 6 trigonometric ratios. I will explain it. This is third. Values of trigonometric ratios of some special angles. Special angles means what? Trigonometric ratios of, my friends, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 0 degrees. We have done these 5. Later we have done examples based on that. You have multiple choice questions of values of trigonometric ratios of some special angles. Then trigonometric identities. These 5 examples, according to me, they may give one example on trigonometric ratios. Another one question on complementary angles. One question on values. Then here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 5 minus 3 means 2 questions. These 2 questions, they may give in trigonometric identities, or they may give only one. Why tell, my friends? Especially trigonometric identities, if you go with your old question papers, you have lengthy questions, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark questions on trigonometric identities. Lengthy examples they used to give. Prove that this equal to this. They carry what? 2 mark, 3 mark questions. They may give 1 here, another 1 mark anywhere here. Otherwise, this 1 mark they may give with what? Applications type. Applications type. So, here there are 4 categories, 4 types. Examples based on trigonometric ratios, based on complementary angles, based on values of the trigonometric ratios, based on trigonometric identities. If you take 1 in each, 4. This fifth, they may give on applications. Otherwise, they may repeat here. It all depends upon the examiner who likes it, who loves the chapter here. Yes, my friend. This is classified into like this, my friends. Now I do one by one. First, what is first? Examples based on trigonometric ratios of acute angle. Base is always, my friends, very, very important. Normally, even if you see my videos, not only this year, since my service to the students, given much importance for the basics. If the basic is strong, base means what? Base for this building, base for your career, base for the subject. If the base is good, definitely what? You can improve the subject. You can do very well with the subject. Once again, my friends, I will explain the basics, then direct examples of multiple choice questions. First one, trigonometric ratios of acute angle. Let angle XOY, this my friend, XOY equal to theta, everything I have told, it is a Greek letter, theta, be an acute angle. Acute angle means what? It is an angle less than 90 degrees, acute angle. This is known, OX is known as initial side, OY, terminal side or rotating side. Here, this OX is rotated from the initial position to another position. This is the angle rotated. If the angle is less than 90 degrees, then it is acute angle. Yes, my friends. We have taken a point P on the terminal side. From P, we have drawn perpendicular to the initial side. Then this acute angle converted into what? Right angled triangle, in which this angle is 90, this angle is theta. This is our hero or heroine. Anything. Yes, my friends, again you know, any side opposite to 90 degrees. Side opposite to 90 degrees, what is its name? Is known as hypotenuse. Name, my friends, like me, Belagali, hypotenuse. This side which is opposite to 90 is known as hypotenuse. Then your reference angle is theta, my friends. That theta is an acute angle. We define trigonometric ratios only for the acute angle, my friends. That's very important. Acute angle. Yes. Then this side PM, it is a side opposite to angle theta. We write in brief opposite side. Then OM. What is this OM? It is attached to the angle theta. Therefore, this attachment to the angle theta, we refer it as what? It is adjacent to theta. Therefore, it is called in brief as what? Adjacent side. Now, this acute angle is converted into a right angle triangle in which we have 3 sides. One, opposite to 90, hypotenuse. Opposite to our reference angle, opposite side. Adjacent to our reference angle theta, adjacent side. With the help of these 3 sides, how many sides are there, my friends? One is OP, another is PM, another is what? OM. What is the third? Third is OP, my friends. It is a hypotenuse. And you know, always hypotenuse is a bigger side in a right angle triangle. This OP is greater than OM as well as PM. Yes, my friends. With the help of these three, we can construct 6 different ratios. How many? 6 different ratios. 1. PM upon OP. Second, OM upon OP. Third, PM upon OM. These 3, my friends. This is opposite side, that is PM. Opposite side upon hypotenuse is 1 ratio. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse is second. Opposite upon adjacent side is third. These are 3 different ratios. In a family, if the 3 children are there, you are observing a different names. So this ratio named by the mathematician as what? Sin theta. Actually, this is everything I have told in the what old videos already done. Sin of angle theta. Sin of angle theta is written in brief. Sin theta. It is not a multiplication. It is one symbol sin theta. It is not sin into theta. No, it is entirely one symbol. What is sin theta? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse is called as cosine of the angle theta, written in brief cos theta. Opposite side upon adjacent side, it is known as tangent of an angle theta, tan theta. These 3. If you reverse them, reversing these ratios, these 3 ratios, my friends, reversing these 3 ratios. What is the reverse of this? Hypotenuse upon opposite side. Again, the new ratio, new name. What is the name of this ratio? Cosecant of an angle theta, written symbolically cosec theta. Reverse it. Adjacent upon hypotenuse, reversing hypotenuse upon adjacent side. 5th ratio, it is known as secant of an angle theta, written in brief sec theta. This is adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent upon opposite is known as cotangent of an angle theta, written in brief cot theta. Hence, with the help of these 3 sides of a right-angled triangle, we defined 6 ratios. They are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. These 6 ratios are known as 6 trigonometric ratios, my friends. They are known as 6 trigonometric ratios. They are known as 6 trigonometric ratios. I write in brief. Trigonometric ratios. My friends, this is important. Of an acute angle. Angle must be acute. Of an acute angle. 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite upon adjacent. Cosecant, reverse, hypotenuse upon opposite. Secant, it is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Cot theta, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Yes, my friends, these are what? 6 definitions of what? Trigonometric ratio. After defining, then mathematicians, they start entering into the subject. What is the first entry? See, they observe these definitions. See, I have written side by side here. It is opposite upon hypotenuse, hypotenuse upon opposite. Then, what is the relation between sin theta and cosec theta? Sin theta and cosec theta, they are named as reciprocal identities or reciprocal trigonometric ratios. Reciprocal trigonometric ratios. Then, by the definition itself, from these definitions, we have the following relations. Cosecant is 1 by sin theta. Secant, 1 by cos theta. Cotangent, cot theta is what? 1 by tan theta. These, my friends, cosec equal to 1 by sin or sin equal to 1 by cosec, equally true. Why? Mathematics, you bring this side, then automatically it will go to the denominator. So, cosec equal to 1 by sin or sin equal to 1 by cos. Secant, sec, cot. These are known as reciprocal trigonometric ratios or reciprocal identities. Then, with the help of these definitions, my friends, another just I will mention it. Another one is Sin theta upon cos theta. See my friend, this is sin theta upon cos theta. This upon this, hypotenuse cancels, we'll be getting opposite upon adjacent side. What is opposite upon adjacent side is tan theta. Therefore, the sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Or you can write tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Fifth one, this is cos theta. Cos theta upon sin theta, and this is cot theta. Cot theta, or cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Yes, my friends. These are 6 definitions. These are 5 relations: cosec 1 by sin, sec 1 by cos, cot 1 by tan. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, otherwise tan theta sin upon cos. Here itself directly this upon this is tan. Reciprocal cosec, reciprocal sec, reciprocal cot. My friends, if you know this sin and cos, the rest you can write. Therefore, in trigonometry, the sin theta and cos theta, see, it is not by Belagali, it is a saying by the mathematicians. They are called these two ratios as what? Pillars. Pillars in trigonometry, my friends. These are the pillars. This entire trigonometry based on these two ratios, sin, cos, phi. What is tan? This upon this is tan. Third, reciprocal cosec, reciprocal sec, reciprocal cot. If you know these two strongly, you can construct, you can do anything in trigonometry, my friends. So these pillars in trigonometry, my friends. Remember these 6 definitions, these 5 relations. What are the 5 relations? Cosec 1 by sin, sec 1 by cos, cot 1 by tan. This is sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta. I have seen one of the model question papers, this one. The value of tan theta into cot theta equal to dash. What is the example? I write here. Now you know all these things. Now you are familiar. Now I will rub it. I will do one by one. Today trigonometric ratios of acute angles, everything, even complementary angles if time permits. In 3 classes I do, in 3 videos I will cover this entire trigonometry, my friends. Yes, see. In the model question paper, I am saying the value of tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta equal to dash. And these are the values: 0, 1, 2, 3. It is always based, my friends, nothing to be done there. Otherwise, what we can do? We can substitute for cot. What is cot? 1 by tan. Tan cancels, you give 1. Or directly you can remember, this is your brain. If you know directly, 1. Answer is what? B. This is A, B, C, D. This is B, my friends. If you mark it, time saving. If any students write this as what? This is tan theta. What is cot theta? 1 by tan theta. Tan theta cancels. You get what? 1. This is method. Directly marking is what? Time saving. You must remember these results, my friends. Not only tan cot, the friends may give cosec into sin is 1. Cos into sec is also 1. Similarly, but this is mentioned, I have seen in question papers, many question papers. The value of this is 1, my friend. Like this, they may construct here with the help of these trigonometric ratios. This is one question out. The value of tan theta into cot theta equal to dash. These are the options: A, B, C, D. Yes, direct tan and cot, they are reciprocal identities. What is the product? 1. In case of reciprocal identities, what is the product of them? Is 1. What is the product? 1. What is the product? 1. You must remember, my friends. You must remember. Yes, my friends. Next, I write. This is the basic that we wanted from what? this. Another thing, I take the general triangle. This is triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degrees. In which angle B is 90 degrees. Yes, my friends, in triangle ABC, what is given? Angle B is 90 degrees. When angle B is 90 degrees, my friends, as you know the triangle property, the sum of angle A plus angle C is 90 degrees. When the sum is 90 degrees, we can say the angles A and C are acute angles. Yes, my friends. When A and C are acute angles, we can define what? Trigonometric ratios. Then we can write, or we can define anything we can write. You can write the trigonometric ratios of angle A and angle C. Connected with angle A first, my friends, I write angle A connected with respect to angle A, I write with respect to angle A. Angle A, tell my friend. BC is opposite side and AB is adjacent side. And what about AC? It is general, it is hypotenuse itself. This is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Yes, my friend. Now you can write what? What is the value of sine A? The value of sine A. What is it? It is a side opposite to A. Side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse. Tell, what is it, my friend, here? Side opposite to angle A is BC. Upon hypotenuse is AC. Like this we can write tan A, anything. Tan A. What is tan definition? Opposite upon adjacent. This is opposite to A upon adjacent of A. What is opposite here? BC. Upon adjacent is what? Adjacent is AB. Like this, my friend, we can write. If you wanted, this is connected with A. You can write any trigonometric ratios. Now, I will write sec A. What is sec A, my friend? Hypotenuse upon opposite to A. What is hypotenuse? AC opposite to 90. AC upon opposite to A. Opposite to A is BC. BC. Like this, my friend, here you can write for what? With respect to C. With reference to the angle C. Angle C. This is angle C, my friend. I write mark like this. Angle C. AB is opposite side. AB is opposite to C. Then BC is adjacent to C. Means what? This is a side which is connected to the angle C. It comes opposite to C. Adjacent to C is what? BC. And as usual, what is AC? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So we can write anything, my friend. Cos C. Cos of the angle. What is it? Cos means, by definition, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. What is adjacent of C? Is BC. Adjacent of, it is connected to the angle. BC is connected to the angle. So it is BC. Upon hypotenuse is AC. Then you can write tan C. Tan C. Opposite AB. Upon adjacent BC. Cosec C. Hypotenuse AC. Upon opposite side AB. Like this, my friends, even you can write with the help of what? Triangle. Triangle. It is in particular, I want it for what? Acute angle. This is always better, my friends. while giving the basics, while doing the introduction must be clear. If it is clear to the students, then they can feel what? Happy. Why? They are understanding the subject, my friends. Yes. Therefore, I take with the help of the theta first, then I made it what? In general triangle ABC. As it is 90, then these two angles are what? Acute angles. We can define trigonometric ratios of angle A, trigonometric ratios of angle C. Just, my friends, I have shown it. Then I do multiple choice questions. Around 10 to 15 examples I do it, my friends. Yes. Then examples. My friends, 1 minute. You can even in brief, you can very well remember this trigonometric ratios, my friends. See, this opposite side, what I have done, I have drawn a perpendicular from P. It is a perpendicular here. That perpendicular I denote by P, letter P. Now what is this? Instead of adjacent, it is a base side. This adjacent I denote by B, hypotenuse by H, my friends. Then I write here sine theta. Instead of opposite side, it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos, what is this? Instead of adjacent, what is it? Base upon hypotenuse. Then tan theta, what is it? It is opposite, means perpendicular upon base. Therefore, I write in brief these. This is sine. What is this sine, my friend? This sine. I write it as what? P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos, it is base upon hypotenuse. Tan, what is it? It is perpendicular upon base. Then what is that numerator? P, B, P. What is the denominator, my friend? H, B. So you can very well remember this P stands for Pandit Badrinath Prasad Hara Hara Bole. Pandit Badrinath Prasad Hara Hara Bole. You can remember very well. In that Pandit, you will also become what? Pandit. If you take the name of a Pandit in trigonometry, if you represent these trigonometric ratios in the name of Pandit, clever man, intelligent man, you will also become very, very intelligent in trigonometry. So, remembering this, Pandit Badrinath Prasad Hara Hara Bole. Now, my friends, if you go with a reciprocal, what is reciprocal? H upon P. See, this is H upon P. H upon P is cosec. This is cosec. H upon P is cosec. H upon B, this is secant. This is secant. My friend, this is cot. So, up sine cos tan. This is Sona Chandi Tola. Yes, my friend, this is cosec sec cot. Remember, Pandit Badrinath Prasad Hara Hara Bole. This entire trigonometry becomes like this, my friend. Just I will keep this for your definitions. These definitions. Then cosec 1 by sine. Here also sec 1 by cos. Cot 1 by tan. Sine by cos. Tan here itself. Sine by cos. Tan. Cos by sine. Cot. Like that. Yes, my friends. Now I do multiple choice questions. Remember the 6 trigonometric ratios with 5 reciprocal identities. Now I do some 10-15 examples on this ratios, my friends. Ratios. Yes. Examples, multiple choice questions now. Yes, friends, Now I do some examples, multiple choice questions based on these six definitions and 5 reciprocal identities. 6 definitions and 5 reciprocal identities. You know, already I've explained. See, the first example, if cos A equal to 3 by 5, then the value of sec A equal to dash. First option, option A. This is option A, like this, my friends, like you. This is option B. This is option C. This is option D. Yes, my friend. Cos is given, sec they wanted. What is the relation? Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. See, what is the reciprocal of this 3 by 5? Reciprocal is 5 by 3. Just to mark where 5 by 3 is there, just to mark. Now, what is the answer then? 5 by 3 is option A. Option A. This is shortcut. Otherwise, this is method. Sec is 1 by cos. 1 by this. Answer is 5 by 3. If you write all these things, my friends, all these things, it takes time. It takes time. But it is no use. Direct marking, time saving is very important. Time saving is very important. My friends, I told those identities. What is sec? Reciprocal. What is reciprocal? 3 by 5, right here, 5 by 3. Knowing, looking at this to mark the answer. 5 by 3, yes. First itself is the answer. So the answer is what, my friend? A. Next, this is appeared last year, my friends. This is appeared in April 2020, this question. Appeared in 2020. If 13 sine theta equal to 12, 13 sine theta equal to 12, then the value of cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Sine theta, solve it. Sine theta is 12 by 13. What is cosec? Reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 12 by 13? Is 13 upon 12, my friend. Reciprocal of 12 by 13 is 13 by 12. Where is it 13 by? No. No. It is 12 by 13. No. It is 13 by 12. Which is the option? Your option is, my friend, D. So, the answer is D. Answer is D. Direct in such cases. If you go on writing all these things, you know, it is a time consuming. But you wanted time saving. Time saving is this. Sine. Cosec is reciprocal. Just don't write cosec, right? It's reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 12 by 13? Is 13 by 12. Mark. Is it 13 by 12? No, no. It is 13 by 12. So the answer is D. This is DIY. Do it yourself. If 15 cot A equal to 8, then the value of tan A. What is cot? 8 by 15. What is tan A? Reciprocal. Which is 15 by 8. Just to do it. Then, my friend, this is fourth example. Just I have explained it. The value of tan theta into cot theta is dash dash. These are the options: 0, 1, 2, 1 by 8. This is the method, my friend. What is cot? 1 by tan, tan cancels 1. If you remember this directly, tan and cot, reciprocal identities. Reciprocal identities means their product is reciprocal. Product is identity element for multiplication. It is a multiplication. What is the identity element for multiplication is what? 1. 1. So, tan theta into cot theta is 1. Otherwise, this is the method, my friend. Where is 1? 1 is B. The value of cos theta plus sec theta. The value of cos theta plus sec theta is dash dash. Little bit application style. These are up to fourth example. They are all direct, my friends. Nothing to write on the paper. Direct. Reciprocal, reciprocal, reciprocal. Here, product is 1. But this is a little bit calculative. Application type comes. Cos theta is 1 by 2. Then the value of cos theta plus sec theta. Cos theta plus sec theta. What is cos theta? 1 by 2. What is sec theta? Reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Then what is the LCM? 2. After writing these two, just to observe it. In the denominator, you have only these two. Nothing else. This is 5, this is 3. In this case, my friend, this is 1. Then 2 is there only in this option. 2 is there only in this option. Then what is your answer? Answer is C. Don't spend your time in finding numerator. This is a time saving. My friend, if you save the time around 2 seconds, 3 seconds, that 3 seconds into 40 questions, it becomes 120 seconds. 120 seconds means what? 3 minutes. 3 minutes means you can do 3 more examples, my friends. So you must be so calculated, so calculated. Yes. The value of cos theta plus sec theta when cos theta is 1 by 2. Cos theta plus sec theta. Cos theta. What is sec? Reciprocal. What is LCM? 2. In the denominator, option C is the only option. Nothing here. Don't bother about the numerator. Mark C. Mark C. This is do it yourself. If tan theta is 3 by 4, then the value of tan theta plus cot theta is dash. Tan theta plus cot theta is dash. Now, my friends, you do it yourselves. Next example. If tan theta equal to 7 by 4, then the value of sin theta plus cos theta into sec theta. Little bit, according to they are saying what? They give only simple examples, direct examples. But it is not the direct examples. I told in the beginning itself, 1 or 2 examples, sample examples, my friends, I do. We have to give little bit training to the brain. What is this sec theta? Don't write this. It is plus is there. They are there. Don't. If you write repeatedly, it will take time. Yes. The bracket is nothing but above. You wanted a change here. Sec convert in terms of cos. What is sin upon cos? Tan theta plus. What is cos upon cos? 1. What is tan theta? 7 by 24. What is the LCM? 24. Look at it. 24 means is the only option. Don't worry about this none. Sir, in none, no, don't worry about it. Okay? Yes, 24 you mark it. If anybody is worrying, then you go for what? This is 7 plus cross is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31 upon 24. Is your option. Again, in finding this and writing this, it takes time, my friends. Therefore, I said, after writing this denominator, observe the denominator. If 24 is there in only one denominator, that itself is your option. This is 20-20 match, my friends. Because even on the borderline, the friend, if expert friend, jump and catch, okay, no problem. But you must go with what? This direct daring. You must do the courage and you must mark it. Yes, my friend. 24, it is there in only option C. Therefore, what is the answer is C. Answer is C, my friend. This answer is C. Now, I do another 2-3 examples. I hope everything is clear. Cos is given, sec, reciprocal. Then instead of directly given in terms of ratios, little dancing. 15, this is 13 sin theta equal to 12. Then the value of cosec theta. This is sin theta. What is the reciprocal? 13 upon 12. And answer is D. Answer is D. Like this here. The product. Now this third example, do it yourself. 15 cot A equal to 8. Then the value of tan. Cot is 8 by 15. What is tan? 15 upon 8. 15 upon 8. Right. The product is 1. Answer is B. If cos theta is 1 by 2, cos theta plus sec theta. What is sec theta? 2 by 1. What is the LCM? 2. Look at the denominator. 2 is there only in the option C. Write the answer. Same type. Do it. Tan theta, little bit application type. Sec you have to convert in terms of cos theta. Then it is sin theta plus cos theta. Simplify it. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta plus cos theta upon cos theta is 1. You have to write direct, my friends. This is time saving. Don't write sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Cos theta upon cos theta cancels 1. No. You must try to write very less steps. Writing less steps is what? Saving the time, saving the time. Tan theta, 7 upon 24 plus 1. What is LCM? 24. I said first observe it. Only option C has a 24 in the denominator. Mark the answer C. Okay, my friends. I do another 3-4 examples. 3-4 examples. 8. 7 we have completed. If cos theta is 8 by 17, then the value of cot theta different now. We have done so far reciprocals, cos, sec directly, sine, cosec, tan, cot, reciprocals we have done direct. This is little bit application type, my friends, little bit. Yes, cot theta, these are the options, my friends. Given cos theta is 8 by 17, by definition, what is cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Then this is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Your figure 8, 17. Now it will take time to find 15. It will take time to find 15. In such cases, my friends, to save the time, remember Pythagoras triplets, or these are called as Pythagorean numbers also. These are Pythagorean numbers, means they satisfy Pythagoras theorem, or these are also called as Pythagoras triplets. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, 8, 15, 17, 7, 24, 25, and 15, 20, 25. At least you must remember these 4, 5. To save the time, we have to do what is our main purpose, my friends, to save the time, to complete your question paper, to get more number of marks. That you must have in mind. Yes. What is there? 8, 17, the remaining is 15. But sometimes the friend will give a chance. What is this? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is cot theta? Adjacent upon opposite. What is adjacent? 8. Observe it. To your luck, you have only one option where in the numerator you have 8. It happens, it gives. Normally the examiners, if they give little bit calculative examples, definitely, my friends, examiner will be there to help you, but you need your brain to take the help. Where the examiner is given the help. This is the help, my friends. No need of finding 15 now. Write cot theta. What is cot theta? This. What is adjacent side? 8. 8 is there. In the option 8 is there. Even actually, my friends, no need of writing this. After this, directly you can write. Yes. This is cos theta. You write direct down cot theta. This is cos theta. Yes. Cos theta is this. No figure, nothing else. Yes. Cos theta to cot theta. What is cot theta? Adjacent side, that is 8. It is there in the option. If 8 is repeated here, my friends, if 8 is repeated, in that case, you must draw the triangle. If 8 is repeated, now adjacent side cos 8, hypotenuse 17. There it helps your Pythagorean triplets, my friends. Otherwise, square of 17 minus square of 8, you get 225. Square of 225 is 15. That will take time. If you remember this, you are saving the time. This is one, this is another. Then what is cot? Cot is adjacent side. This is theta, my friends. Adjacent side upon opposite side. This is 15, which is answer is C. If sin theta is A by B, then tan theta. Sin theta, A by B. Opposite upon hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite side? This direct. Don't write opposite is this. You are all the while you are saving the time, my friends. Remember, you need only correct answer, not the method. Only correct answer. not the method. Yes. Opposite A. I told first observe it. Observe it. A is there in the two options. In the two options. What is this, my friend? Hypotenuse. B is bigger. B is bigger. Then what is here denominator? The smaller one. What is the smaller one? This is square root. Square root. Square root. Yes. Then you have to draw the triangle in this case. Sin theta. This is theta. This is opposite side. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is B. Great Pythagoras theorem. B square minus A square. B square minus A square. What is tan theta? Opposite side upon adjacent side, which is B square minus A square. Which is B square minus A square. In this case, A is repeated. Now you must find the denominator. When it is hypotenuse, what is the remaining side? Square minus square. Square root of B square minus A square. This. B square minus A square. Here also no need to find all these things. Pi. Bigger is hypotenuse. Pi. Always the remaining side is what? Bigger, square of the bigger minus smaller. Then this is the option. Even without writing all these things, you can mark it. Numerator, opposite side is A. What is the denominator? A is repeated in twice. Whether it is A square plus B square or B square minus A square. Plus is not possible. Pi tell this is bigger hypotenuse. Then minus is possible. Therefore, my friend, your answer is what? C. Your answer is C. This is how you have to mark it. Now the one more. This same thing. If tan theta is x by y, then cos theta is. These are the options. 1, B, C, D. Given tan theta x by y. Definition. Opposite upon adjacent. This is opposite upon adjacent. Pythagoras theorem. Root x square plus y square. You wanted cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Because y is repeated here, my friends. Y is here, y is here. But which one? Then this denominator will decide. What about x and y? X and y are the smaller sides. Then what is the bigger side? Root x square plus y square is the bigger side. Otherwise you just do it. This is cos theta. I hope understood. Tan theta, figure, opposite adjacent, Pythagoras theorem, cos, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. This, which is the marking. It is y upon this. B is the answer. B is the answer. Last question of this is, if 5 tan theta equal to 4, then the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Looks big, my friend. Normally they may not give, but I have told already 1 or 2 samples or 2 or 3 samples. Just you must know. Yes, this tan is given, sin and cos. To get a tan, you must divide sin by cos. Divide by cos theta. What is this, my friend? Directly we can get the answer. I have written in detail here. If you divide it, it is 5 into tan theta minus cos theta cancels with cos theta gives 3. Same thing down plus. That's all. Same thing down plus. What is it? What is the value of 5 tan theta? 4 minus 3. What is denominator? 4 plus 3. What is the answer? 1 by 7. Where is 1 by 7? C is the answer. Even though it looks big, but it is a simple example, my friends. Only don't decide it is a big example, pass to the next. No. Use your brain. Yes. To get a tan, divide a numerator and denominator by cos. It is 5 into sine upon cos is tan, minus 3, cos cancels with cos. Same thing, denominator is with plus. The U purposely, my friends. What is 5 tan theta? 4. Then it is 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 1 by 7. So the answer is C, my friends. These are some selected examples on what? Ratios, trigonometric ratios. Some more with the basics I do, some 2-3 samples tomorrow, my friends, in the next video. Till then, my friends, trigonometry, I think I'm repeatedly doing it. Please, very important topic. Very important topic. I've told about multiple choice. You have 5 questions, my friends. Yes, saying this, and tomorrow I do another 2 or 3 examples. Basics directly, sine theta definition, cos theta definition. With the help of the definitions, I do some 2-3 examples. Very simple examples. Till then, my friends, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye. Goodbye. Namaste. Namaskara. Namashinyo. Yes, my friends. Good day. Good day.